Now for the team, Pulong Masle. Nice defense lang. Our back pedal, give it a chow. Points from Dip. This time second rebound on Nazareno. Number 27 loses the ball. Recover number 12, Pastor Morales. Give it to number 27. Pull up Jay. Step down. 18-15. Tatlong kalamangan na para sa Lambak. Here comes now on number 8, Relagio. Takes the screen, baseline drive, give it to, shot clock 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, good. That was a pull shot. So ball, 3 seconds, violate. 45 on the game clock, pull up, kick out, contest, Nazareno, wala, rebound. For the team Lambak. Points, 21-15, anim ng kalamangan dito ng ating Lambak. Here comes now for the Pulong Masle. Number 8, still pa dito. Number 8, Morales. Hit, good over. On Relagio. Inside, blast, steal. He's so blown. Kalamangan, here comes number 11. And they give it to number 3, Morales. Wala, rebound. On number 21, Laios. And they give it to number 11, Arcelia. Outlet to Sanchez. Stays defense long. Number 21, Laios. Pass to number 11. Here comes out Arcelios. 5 minutes and 15. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Reset. Rebound number 12. And advance now on Nazareno. Jersey number 27 now in control. Crossing to the midcourt. Pass to Morales. Morales now setting up the play. 14 seconds shot clock. Down to 10, 9, 8. Shot clock reset. Recover on Sanchez, number 36. Sanchez now. That was a good spin move. Elbow. Recover again. Sanchez, number 36. Back panel. Shot clock 14. Kick out. Number 7 down to 10. 9. We so blown. Wait, versus Nugget. Split check. In control. Hit. Steal. Moncao. Fly. Butterfly. Basket. Tatlong kalamangan na lang dito sa Lambak. Here comes number 11. Give it to number 3. Morales. Muntigan bang mother. And Lantes. Air ball. Shot clock 9, 8, 7, 6. Basket on number 3. Masarap-sarap na ulam to. Number 88 tayo. Back pedal now. Give it to number 21, Laios. Sanchez. Ball fake. And it passes to number 0. Moncao. 14 seconds to shoot. Arcelios. Shot clock down to 10. 9, 8. Shot clock reset. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And for the team Lambak, first possession is secured. Here comes now. Number 11, Morales in control. And at 14 seconds on the shot clock. Kandang pasa. Tabingi yung tira ni Kuya. Balik dito. And a steal for the team Pulong Masle. Here comes number 36. And give it to number 23. Here comes now Sanchez. Give it to Parks from the blast. Moncao beyond the R3. 3-0 agad. Mainit-init na umpisa para sa Pulong Masle. Here comes now on Morales, number 11. And I give it to jersey number 3. Back to number 11. Here comes Morales. And the shot clock is down to 12. Shot clock reset. Whistle blow. Huli kagad dyan in the back. Number 36, Sanchez. Whistle blow. That was a blocking bell. Here comes Sanchez beyond the arc. Whistle blow. And that was... Here comes now. Ito kung makita sa kinatay. Pasayin na lang. That was a good recover on a steal for the team Lambak. Here comes now on Morales. The number 8, give it to number 11. 8 minutes and 9 seconds. Here comes now Sanchez. Balik kay Moncao. Gandang pasa. Ganda rin ang delivery basket. On number 23. 5-0 run kagad dito sa ating Pulong Masle. Here comes now for the Lambak. Number 11. That was a good. In control now, Morales crossing to the midcourt. Zigzagling, whistle blow. And that was lead for the team, Pulong Masle. Here comes now number 5. Alvarado, Mungka, Volpeg, Volpeg again, whistle blow. That was a foul. That was a more big. Here comes now Arcilia, shot clock down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and a shot clock down to 10, 9, yes, 3, on number 5, Alvarado. Score is 8-1. Okay po, coach. Reserve. Here comes now on Morales. 7 kalamang ang hawak dito ng Pulong Masle. For the undefeated, number 12, shot clock down to 11, 10, 9, shot clock reset, rebound. Fires on the hit, and a rebound. And for the team, number 23, Sanchez fly high, butterfly, wala, recover for the number 11, Morales in control. Here comes out for the team, back, crossing to the midcourt. Morales leaving the defense, zigzag, inside pass, whistle blow. And a foul on number 2. That was illegal contact to the arm. Number 23. First is good. The number 4. Score natin is 8. Complete. Here it comes now. And a steal. Recover again. Kalale. Here comes number 36. Sanchez with a baseline drive. Whistle blow. And that was a traveling violation. Para sa... Here comes now for the team back. Time remaining, coach, is 5 minutes and 14 seconds of first quarter. Here comes number 27. Number 12, wide open again. And a rebound for the Pulong Masle. Here comes number 7, Mungkal. Same ball. Silvios. Number 11 in control. Takes the screen. 14-second shot clock. Hollywood again. Put back. Napakaga ng galamay dito. Whistle blow. Yan. Okay, number 11. Here comes now on Morales. Time check, 4 minutes and 20. And they gave it to number 27, beyond the arc. Nugget. Recover for the back. Number 29, Roman. Shot clock down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Basket on number 27. 8-5. Outlet. Nagmamadali na dito. Takes the lead. Zigzagling. Kick out. For the baseline drive. Shot clock down to 12. 11. Shot clock reset. Recover for the team. Pulong Masle. Sanchez. Outlet pass. Alvarado. Basket. Mamamod. Balik dito. Sa lambak. Morales. Teardrop. Basket count. 10-7. Here comes up for the Pulong Masle. Sanchez. Wala. Tayo kagad. Recover. On Sanchez. Perfect. Whistle blow. That was some. First throw was good. And split. Pull up. Wala. Recover. And a basket. Whistle blow. Yan, na-warning na kayo kanina. Huh? We have a double technical foul on number 11. Here comes down number 0. Mungkal. Give it to number 11. Arcelius Sanchez. Miss. And a big rebound. Number 26. Give it to number 4. Here comes down for the back. And a baseline drive. Rejected. Okay. South Diareb. And here he comes down for the team left back. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Morales, Sanchez, Nugget, rebound on Sanchez. And about the zone for the recover. Kid. Okay, ball out. On number 20, slow. Yes, we get the basket. Tama yung tawag. Pabang depensa, foul basket. Foul on number 99. Person yourself, 11. Change paper, 1 point lead for the back. Here comes number 8, Relagio. Give it to number 16, Chow. And it back to number 23, Sanchez. Nakawala. Basket. 13-12, change favor, 1-point lead for the Pulong Masle. 1 minute and 30 seconds on the game clock. Here comes number 21. Give it to Lontes. Miss. And a big rebound, Baltazar. Whistle blow. A bad pass. Recover of Relagio. Bouncing without music. Pass to Ponyo. Miss. Rebound. Now in control on Morales. 1 minute exactly. Takes the screen, loses the ball, steal. That was a good. Recover on Morales. Mabilis ang transition lang dito para sa ating first quarter. But it goes over Williams, recover number 28. Last 45 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Holly up! Good. Out of bounds. Well, lead for the Pulong Masle. Here comes now number 16. Chow. Last 30 seconds game clock. Sanchez shot clock 14, 13, 12, 11. Negative rebound. Kick out, shot clock is down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We shall blow. Third. First throw on Chow is second. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. Down the floor. One. Okay. Whistle blow. That was a traveling violation. Here comes number 27, Nazareno. Whistle blow. That was a... Here comes now Andre Lagio. Number 8, bring down the ladder. Handing it with the number 18, Baltasar with the ball pick. Paboritong tira. Lista mo na. Basket on number 18. Official score is of 15 to 13. Here it comes now. Longes. Air ball recover now for the team. Pulong Masle. Here comes now Baltasar. Shot for 14 seconds. Okay, then a steal for recover now for the team one back. And again, rebound. And we get the basket, may kasama bang foul. Basket is good. Is running shot. Air ball. Put back, whistle blow. Pag pumasok, may sub tayo. Whistle blow. Score is a 24-18. Sanchez, Pinek, ipanik kuya, nabitawan, whistle blow. That. Here comes Sam Moncal, shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, reset, rebound. Okay, bounce pass, number 21, Muan, pasa. Buta dalang ang tira ni Kuya. Good. 1 minute and 45 game clock. Number 11, basket, Honor Sirius. 24-20, apat na lang kalamangan dito na lang. Bakit na nagawala? Muan, zigzag, pinasa pa, recover Tadeo, basket. 26-20, 1 minute and 20 on the game clock. Number 23, Sanchez. Whistle blow. Versus seconds, whistle blow. Back, number 27. Isolation play. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Steal last 30 seconds game clock. Number 29, isolation. Last 25 seconds game clock, move on. Pass to number 27. Shot clock down to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shot clock is up. Last 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And I give it to Morales. Yes. Para sa press. 31-22. Here comes now number 11 Arcelios. Give it to Sanchez. Ball fake. Baseline drive. Underneath. Miss. Rebound. For the team Lambac. Here comes number 27 Nazareno in control. Bring down the ladder. Give it to number 11 Morales. Yeah, again. Rebound on number 7 Cole. Here comes now. And a steal. Talagang napsipag. Itong si number 4 Roman. Here comes now for the Lambac. Bounce pass. Morales. Number 11 in control. A bad pass. Here comes number 88. Tayag in control. With a ball fake. Give it to number 36. Sanchez back to Tayag. Basket. Number 21 in control. And I give it to Nazareno. Fires from deep. In and out. Nasa loob na. Iniluwa pa. Here comes now for the Pulong Masle. 4 minutes and 32 para sa third quarter. Arcelios, number 11. Baseline drive. Puts it up. Basket count. 33-29. Here comes now on Muan. Give it to Tadeo. Back to Muan. Looking for estimated 14 seconds on the shot clock. Morales. Shot clock down to 11. 10. Whistle blow. Down to 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. That was a good. Good. Here comes the for the Pulong Masle. Number 18. Miss. Alvarado. Wala. Recover on number 3. Here comes now on Morales. To number 21. Here comes now on the run. Back from number 21. Give it to Morales. Fires. Okay. Clean. Bounce past the Lions. Okay. Down to 10, 9, and we get the basket. Mike Solomon well. Neged. 31 na yan, 31. 31 na. Here comes now on number 11, Morales. 33 to 31. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Down to 10, 9. Whistle blow. That was a drop. Steal. Morales on the point. Wala. Tapikan. Mukhang. 31. Baltasar nabitawan. And in and out. Rebound for the Lambac. Take it easy para kay number 28. Here comes now for number 11. 1 minute and a 48 seconds game clock. Morales. Melting on the clock. 14 seconds to shoot and a steal in jail. Stepping on the gas. Basket. 33-35. 1 minute and 30 on the game clock. Here comes now on Muwan. Looking for Stomach, give it to number 28. Back to number 21. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 13. Same ball. 13 second shot. 12. 11. 10. Reset. Score natin 31-24. 31 yan. 31. Anak, 31 yan. 31. Number 4. Roman, bala again. Recover on Nazareno. Shot clock 14 seconds. Again. And a rebound now. Number 36, Sanchez on the point. Lucky bounce. Timeout. zigzagging. Good recovery for the team. Pulong Masle, Alvarado. Whistle blow. First throw was negative on. Okay, last throw on number 5. Pag pumasok may sub tayo, rep. Okay, reserve lang tayo, Mr. Morales. Kick out. Bars for grip. Reserve lang. Meron tayong dito. Whistle blow. Good. Rebound for the Pulong Masle. Napitawan pa rito. Here comes number 12. Paulo. Rejected the outlet pass. Hindi tumakbo si Sanchez. Pass to number 29. Back to number 12. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Soreno. Down to 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Shot clock reset. Recover now for the team. Pulong Masle. Outlet to Ponyo. Morales in control. Back pedal setting up the point. Takes the screen. Shot leg 12, 11, 10. Reset. And a rebound now for the team. Pulong Masle. Outlet dito. Alvarado. Wala. Rebound. Kick out. Arcelios. Miss. Whistle blow. Unang tira wala. 5 and pumasok may sub tayo, rep. Sub. With number 27, Nazareno. Ball fake, Morales number 3. Inside pass, shot clock 14. Shot clock reset. And a recover now for the team red. Here comes now on number 23, Sanchez. For the Bills, napitawan nga lang. Here comes now for the comeback. Outlet, Morales, big guy. Milan! Basket! That's more back there, ball. 33-27. Alvarado, pull up, short, rebound on Morales, whistle blow. That was a foul on number 5, timeout. Alvarado, give it to Laios. Number 21, ito magandang set, binalik kay Ponyo, titira sa labas, lista mo na, 5 seconds. Pinky boy, kuha na ulit yung kalamangan dito ng ating Pulong Masle. 36, 35, 47 seconds. Number 28. Shot clock 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shot clock reset. Reset again. Foul on number 28. Pushing foul. He hit it. Wala. Split. 34 seconds. Okay, here comes now for the team Lambec. Dalawang kalamangan dito ng ating Pulong Masle na kailangan mapulin. Last 26 seconds on the game clock. 40 seconds to shot. Whistle blow down the floor. Meron tayong pito and a foul on number 5. 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, shot clock is 10, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 seconds. Peron. Two fouls to give before penalty, 6 seconds na lang. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Prep. Out of possession, Pulong Masle basketball. Ito na yung ating huling ito. Fourth quarter na po tayo, ha? Final 10 minutes section. Bounce lang. At the bounce lang. Eko tatalan. O, kakulita. Alang tatalan. .40-37. Here comes now number 11. Tuluyan bang dedepensahan ng undefeated Tito Morales? Wala. Recover for the Pulong Masbet. Here comes Lios. Tuluyan bang didepensahan ng undefeated ditong ating Pulong Masbet? O tatapusin dito ng ating lambak. Chow, pass to Baltasar. Underneath, whistle blown. Okay, players, pasok mo na sa bench. Supply. And that was a good nahawakan. Here comes now on Morales. Number 11 down. 14 seconds to shoot. Whistle blow. Borneo, that is your third personal foul, okay? Team foul number 1. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a good. Here comes now for the team. Pulong Masbet. Time remaining is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Mangkal, may tangan ng bola. Looking for the receiver. Pass to Baltazar. Number 18 now in control. Pass to Lios. Yosakanto. Miss. And a big rebound for the team Lambak. Morales, wala. Recover, reset long. Meron ng bito. Okay? Holding foul na tayo para kay number 21. Number 20. Basket! Number 28. Tadeo. Score, 42-39. Here comes out for the Pulong Masbet. 6 minutes and end. Shot clock is down to 10. 9, 8, whistle blow. Meron tayong pito. Sandali. May tawag. Tapos sa foul, number 0 ng foul. Number 0. That is your first personal foul. Team foul number 3. Okay. Morales. Pull up. Wala. Whistle blow. Yes. Here comes now. Shot clock is down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Reset. Recover now for the team. Pulong Masbet with number 16. Chow on the drive lane. Whistle blow. Yan, bumaba. 2 shots. That was a up shooting. Dalawang tira para sa iyo. Chow, 6:08 game clock. Wala. Chow out. Score is a 43-39. Chow on number 21. Luan in control. Yeah, that was honesty. Whistle blow. Meron tayong pito. Okay? That was a foul.